We're all about long-term partnerships, but we know trust takes time. And that's why our standard contract is 3 years, but with 30-day notice at any point during the first 12 months. After that, it's 90-day notice before the anniversary date. In other words, you're not locked in upfront. You've got a full year to decide if we're the right fit with minimal commitment. We also go a step further by including partner experience guarantee in every contract. Your team provide feedback on everything we do, and if your experience score drops below 95% and we're unable to resolve that for you within 90 days, you can walk away, no strings attached. We don't hide behind complicated SLA loopholes. Just hitting a response time target doesn't mean the issue was handled well, or you were provided with a good experience. Our focus is on actual service quality through feedback direct from you and your team.